Coding Guideline, Section 1, Chapter 9, Section A, number 11. Pulmonary hypertension. The scenario is the patient was admitted with secondary pulmonary arterial hypertension, which is associated with portal hypertension. The reason for the encounter is to treat the secondary pulmonary arterial hypertension. Two codes you will see in the encoder. Why there are two codes? Because there is this associated with. Remember that word, associated with. So let's go right over to the 3M encoder. Okay, we will start with the secondary pulmonary arterial hypertension. We'll start with hypertension, pulmonary, arterial, and we get here the I-26.21. Let me go over here. We can go up. It says code also any associated underlying condition. Well, we remember that is the portal hypertension. You'll also see this code also portal hypertension. So there's two spots here that are going to remind you that you have another code that you need to find. Portal hypertension, you can click that and go right to it, K76.6. It is the correct code. We're also going to go ahead and walk through the steps of finding it in the index. We will start with hypertension and then portal. And there's that K76.6. So let's go back and find the rationale for this. So here are those two codes that we just went through, the I-27.21 and the K76.6. The rationale is pulmonary hypertension is classified to category I-27, other pulmonary heart diseases. For secondary pulmonary hypertension, or the I-27.1 and the I-27.2 codes, code also any associated condition or adverse effect of drugs or toxins. And of course, the sequencing is always based on the reason for the encounter, but for the reason for this encounter is the hypertension that is associated with this portal hypertension. So that's why this is number 1 and that's number 2 in the sequencing of the codes. Again, this is Coding Guideline Section 1, Chapter 9, Section A, number 11.